Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to buy prepaid credit card with crypto. So, first of all, what you need to do is go to a website which is called Bitterfell. I think I wrote it wrong, so Bitterfell, something like that. Bitterfell, let's change this as well. Alright, just you need to do is simply go to here and go to uh, gift card with crypto and yeah, Bitterfell. Or I mean, the name is so hard for me to remember. So simply now, all you need to do, guys, is search for whatever crypto card you want. So, oh, not crypto card, but credit card you want. So let's search here for credit card. Here we go. So here's, for example, credit card loan balance transfer counseling by these guys. So here it is. Now, for you, in order to get it, what you can do is select the amount of the credit that you want to get. So here it is. I think this is in yuan, which is in Chinese. And now here, this is the estimated price in Bitcoin. So simply now, what you need to do is when the product is available, you just have to click here to email me when it's back, and they will send you like the products. Of course, here you can click to see similar products, so you can get like prepaid or like a Google Play gift card. You can get a bunch of gift cards in this website, which are really useful. And if I went over here, gift cards, you can see all the gift cards possible that you can get. It is for hotels.com, for Google Play, PlayStation, PUBG, Fortnite, and so go on. For example, let's try Fortnite at the moment. Let's say if it is in stock. Yeah, it is in stock. So here you choose the price, how much amount of V-Bucks you want, and here you click on purchase as a gift, and simply here you will just put the scheduled on. So they will deliver the email. Here you put the recipient name, recipient's email, message, and here you click on add to cart, and you will have only to send them the Bitcoin uh, to their address, and you will receive the amount of V-Bucks into their email. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.